NGO गोवा लायव्हलीहूड फोरमान पणजे खासा परिसंवाद दवरिल्ले। त्या वेळार गोयचो रोजगार विशयाचेर तांणी डॉक्युमेंटरी दाखयली। तातूंत मायनिंग बंदीक लागून गोयची जीण कशी हाल्ली ती दाखयला। मायनिंग बेगोबेग सुरू करूंक गोय सरकार सगळे उपाय सोदता म्हूण कामगार मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयलो।
See, we have to understand it's a very serious concern. Unemployment in the mining belt, direct unemployment, indirect unemployment, businesses shutting down are things which are reality. Now, one is the starting of resumption of mining in whatever way it has to happen at the earliest. We have to look at that, and that is what I feel the government and the CM and we are looking for it. At the same time, people like Putubab Gaonkar, his mining front, the people who are unemployed under that banner are striving. Each one in his own way is putting it together.
मायनिंग सुरू जातली, मात सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या निर्देशाप्रमाण ती मर्यादित आसतली म्हूण रोहनान सांगले। तेन्ना गोय सरकार आनी लोकांनी रोजगारा खातीर वेगळो मार्गूय सोदचो। IT सेक्टर मोठ्या प्रमाणात रोजगार निर्माण करूंक शकता अशें रोहन उलयलो।
मायनिंग रिझम्पशन आमी जितले बेगीन मागताच, पूण ते पयलीं भशेन काय जायना। जाल्यार वी नीड टू नो हाऊ टू एक्चुअली लुक एट क्रिएटिंग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज. IT इज वन ऑफ देम. सो वी नीड टू एन्श्योर that whatever we do, whether traditional activities like farming to latest technological opportunities, we need to have a sort of a policy which can bridge this gap for the youth and the people of Goa.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।